everyone, I'm Jennifer Valle, and today we will be doing another passage from our Reading Champions program. Today's passage is titled Mammoth Site. This passage is geared more towards our 1st through 4th graders, but we do encourage everyone to listen in. All older kids can listen in and use this as a beginning to create their own stories. And remember, after the story, we will have some questions and also a spelling quiz. So let's get our piece of papers, our pens or pencils, and let's get to our cozy little spot so we can get started. Once again, the title of this passage is Mammoth Site. Some of the key words to review are site, sinkhole, museum, and fossils. So if you can on your piece of paper, just write down the first thing that comes to mind when you hear these words. Now, the story. The sinkhole was about 60 feet deep. It was filled with warm water and plants. Large animals walked into the sinkhole to eat and drink. The animals could not get out, so they died there. The sinkhole filled with mud and dried up. The animals stayed buried for about 26,000 years. In 1974, some workers uncovered the animals. Scientists came to the site to study them. The scientists learned many things about the animals. What kind of animals were they? They were Ice Age animals. Many of them were mammoths. Mammoths were huge mammals. They looked a little bit like elephants. They had big trunks and long tusks, but mammoths died out thousands of years ago. The site where people found the mammoths is now part of a museum. Many people visit the Mammoth Site each year. They come to see the fossils of these extinct animals. This museum is in Hot Springs, South Dakota. Now, the questions. Number 1, what is the main idea of this story? A, many people visit the Mammoth Site in Hot Springs, South Dakota. B, Ice Age animals called the mammoths died in a sinkhole that is now part of a museum. Or C, animals that went into a sinkhole could not get out, so they died there. Number 2, about how long did the animals stay buried? A, 1,974 years, B, 60 years, or C, 26,000 years. Number 3, what does the word extinct mean in this story? A, long tusks, B, uncovered, or C, died out. Number 4, why did mammoths go to the sinkhole? A, to get stuck in the mud, B, to drink water and eat plants, or C, to see if elephants were there. And number 5, how are elephants of today like the mammoths of long ago? Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this passage as much as I did, and I hope that you took your time to answer those questions. They were not the easiest. But now it's time for our spelling quiz. This week there's only 8 words, but still take your time, try your best, and do not look back in the passage for help. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1, sinkhole. Number 2, uncovered. Number 3, site. Number 4, mammals. Number 5, tusks. Number 6, museum. Number 7, fossils. And number 8, extinct. And like always, take your time, do your best, and I know you'll get them all correct. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.